If you are getting the Apple Music Playback error, media license, on your Tesla, it usually means there's a problem with digital rights management, DRM, syncing between Tesla's OS and Apple Music's license server. This can happen due to software glitches, account issues, or network instability. Fix Apple Music Playback error, media license, on Tesla. 8. Log out and log back into Apple Music. This resolves most media license errors. Steps. On your Tesla screen, open Apple Music. Tap your profile icon or go to settings within the app. Select Sign Out. Restart your car's infotainment system. Hold down both scroll wheels until the screen reboots. Log in again using the QR code or Apple ID. 2. Reboot Tesla's infotainment system. This clears cache and resets the media app environment. How to reboot? Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Wait for the Tesla logo and home screen to return. 3. Check for Tesla software updates. Outdated software can cause DRM and app compatibility issues. Steps. Tap Controls software on your Tesla. If an update is available, install it over Wi-Fi. 4. Check Apple Music subscription status. Make sure your Apple Music subscription is active and not expired. On iPhone, go to Settings, Apple ID Subscriptions, Apple Music. Ensure it's not paused, cancelled, or pending. 5. Reconnect Wi-Fi or use different network. Media license checks require a stable internet connection. Reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Go to Controls Wi-Fi and reconnect. If you are on weak LTE, try switching networks or move to a stronger signal zone. 6. Remove and re-add Apple Music app if supported. Not all Tesla models allow this yet, but if yours does, go to App Settings, remove Apple Music. Reboot screen. Reinstall Apple Music from Tesla's app launcher. 7. Reset Tesla media settings, last resort. This resets all media app configurations. Steps. Tap Controls Service. Reset settings, reset media settings, if visible. Confirm and restart the screen. Still not working? Contact Tesla support through the app or website. Or contact Apple support and explain that DRM is failing in an in-car system.